everybody. It's nonfiction author Kirsten Larson here with another nonfiction tip or trick to make your researching and writing nonfiction so much easier. Today, I want to tell you a little bit about a new thing I discovered in the latest iOS update. So, this is for iPhone only. If you look in the lower right corner, you'll see when you open up your camera, if your camera is pointed at anything with text, this icon will come up in the lower right corner. And what this icon allows you to do is to take that text to scrape it right off the image, and it will allow you to copy and paste it into any kind of a document, or if you're doing a research and putting all of your research into OneNote, you can copy and paste the text as well. So when you hit the button in the lower right, it will turn yellow. You just click copy all and then either open up a document on your phone. Here I've opened a Word doc, or you can paste this into OneNote, which is another tool that I love. Hit paste, and all of the text from the image, it's optical character recognition, all of that text gets pasted into your file. So if you are a person who likes to take pictures of pages of research books that you're using, this is a great way to capture all of that text without having to scan it. And so you can just paste it right in. Or if you're like me, I love to take pictures of exhibit text, or when I'm out on a research trip, I like to take pictures in museums or at historic sites. And now I can just extract all that text right off of those images. So the cool thing is, this is not just a tool for new photos. If you now go into the Photos app in iPhone, you'll see that same icon, and you can push it to extract text off of any of your old photos as well. So I tried this out with some images that I took in Egypt recently, and I was able to pull text off of exhibit text from pictures that I'd taken in museums. So this is a really cool tool to make your research so much faster. If you are looking for more tools and tricks and ways to develop your nonfiction craft, I invite you to join the Reimagine Insiders community, where I review nonfiction tools, answer your questions, and do craft posts once a month. So I invite you to learn more at my PayHip site, Kirsten W. Larson. Until then, happy researching and writing, and reimagine that nonfiction.